channel Be Your Best Beautiful. So today I'm here and I'll be unboxing and reviewing like the first impressions of this month, that is November's Fab bag.
Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss an update.
This is how this month's Fab bag looks like. It is a beautiful gold and black clutch. It is the classic combination ever, guys, and I'm literally color coordinating with the bag. So I really like the clutch. It is perfect if you want to go for any weddings or any casual parties. It's a perfect traditional bag. I really like the bag. So they have a normal button enclosure, as you can see. So this is like that, and do not have a chain, just a button enclosure. Yeah. So let's dig into it. The very first thing that I find in the bag are these two cards. So Fab bag has a theme every month, and for this month the theme is the Highlight November Fab bag. Yes, it is a month of festivals, that is Diwali is next week, and that is why highlight, and that is why the golden color pouch. So they have, this is a normal card wherein they have mentioned all the products details with pricing. And next is the in my Fab bag contest card. So every month Fab bag runs this particular contest, and you can definitely read the rules and participate it on your social media. Yes. So now let's get into the products. So the very first product is the star product. It is the Sugar Jelly Highlighter. It's the Glow and Behold Jelly Highlighter from Sugar Cosmetics, and the shade which I have selected is the Bronzy Bellwether. So Fab bag did send me options for this particular highlighter. So there was a rose gold and a gold highlighter. So I selected this beautiful bronze shade. So I'm going to show it to you. So this is how it looks like. I believe Sugar Cosmetics is like a baby of Fab bag, because every month they have something or the other product from Sugar Cosmetics, which is good. Sugar Cosmetics is a really nice brand. So this is how the packaging looks like. So it is exactly like a gel eyeliner. Yeah. They have a plastic cover out here, and this is how the shade looks like, if you guys can see. So it is a jelly highlighter, guys. That means the consistency will be a bit liquidy. So I'm going to swatch it for you. So I'm going to take a little bit on the ring finger. So this is how the highlighter looks like. It's just a tiny amount, and look at the pigmentation. I'm already loving this highlighter, guys. So we'll just try and blend it out. Wow, really nice finish, loved it. So this particular product retails for 499 rupees. The next star product is a Teen Color Life. It's a matte lipstick, and I got it, and it's a non-transferable lipstick. I got it in the shade 06 Brick Wine. So for this also Fab bag did give me options, but I really liked this particular shade. So this is how the product looks like. This particular product retails for 290 for 2 gram of product. So it's a retractable kind of a pencil, so I really like that. You do not have to sharpen it. Yeah, this is how the shade looks like. So I'm going to swatch it for you. Wow, look at this. This is just one swipe, and it is so pigmented. Really looking forward to this. Next up is a Bio Blush Cup of Coffee mask. So this is basically a clay mask, and this is from the brand Bio Blush. So I haven't used this particular brand anytime, so I am really looking forward to use this. So it is written wakes up your tired skin. So let's see. So this smells exactly like raw coffee. So this is how the product looks from inside. It's a clay mask, guys. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to review it on my Instagram. So do follow me on Instagram. I'm going to post the review of this particular product super soon. Next product is from Brazil India. It's their Cherry Blossom Face Toner and Mist, and this particular product retails for 349 for 50 ml of product. I think it's a little bit pricey according to me, because for 50 ml 349 sounds a bit pricey for me. So this is how the toner looks like. It's also a face mist, so it's a 2-in-1 kind of a product. So I'm going to spray it a bit to see how it smells. Wow, it smells really fresh, guys. It has a very sweet kind of a smell, like cherry blossom, like flowery kind of a smell. I really like this, but still a bit pricey according to me, but I'm going to use it and post a review on my Instagram. So the next is a bonus product, because it's the festival month, and for bonus product also Fabbag did give me options. So I selected the Scent Divance Multani Mitti Lotion. So it is a normal Multani Mitti face pack. So this is how the face pack looks like. This particular product is priced at 149 for 50 ml of product, which is okay because it's a bonus product, so I'm okay with it. So yes, so I think that is it in the Fabbag for this month, guys, and I really like the highlighter as well as the lipstick, and this lipstick is transfer proof, so let's do a transfer proof test. Yes, it is transfer proof. Yeah. So I really like this month's Fabbag, and I think Fabbag is getting better and better with every month. So if you like this video, please like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.